So this is my opamp. This is the circuit. It means triangle wave generator. This is output, and here it is on the board. This is the circuit, integrated opamp, and the violet wire is the output. This is the red probe, and this is the minus. Even if it's coming from my voltage inverter or double power source, the yellow wire is minus, as you can see, minus 5 volts. Red wire is plus 5 volts, and black is ground. And the yellow, the minus 5 volts, is not connected to anything. It's exactly as in the circuit schematics here on the ground. Also this one, and the black wire is the ground, red wire is the plus 5 volts, and it's all connected here correctly. And this is my newly, what the hell? Oh, my old, but new that I put it here. And this is I'm not sure if you can see it, but is for my eyes. It's very unstable. It's flickering a lot. I think this is having some flickering adjustment or something, my phone, but it's very flickery in reality, and it's very distorted. And if I'm taking from the output the probe, I'm putting it directly on the plus, so I'm measuring between minus and plus 5 volts from the power source, I get this one, which is a bit more clean wave. If I'm switching back to the output is wiggly here, and here is back to more cleaner, but is the same wave. That's the problem, is the same wave, and without anything is looking like this, without only the minus probe is connected. Actually, I will disconnect that. With the probes in air is looking like that. Why? What the hell? Huh? If I'm touching them, yeah, if I'm touching with my hand right now, if I'm keeping them in contact with my hand, I get very close signal. Yeah, like I said, it's pornographically basic. My oscilloscope, I don't really trust it, even though is a bit weird. I do trust old stuff. Like I said before, they are done with heart and brain. But this one in particular that I have, it's shitty. It's very shitty, I think, or I don't know how to work with it. I don't know, but there it is. I hope you can make any sense from it. Yeah, and suggest me what to do to really test him. I made some room for it here on my shelf, but if it's, as I suspect, very shitty, I will have to remove it. But you inspired me to trust him again, though I don't trust him very much. That's it.